Hi guys, welcome to day 6 of the 20 days of Power BI challenge with Zakrak Learning. Today, we'll be talking about creating conditional columns using Power Query. What are conditional columns? A conditional column offers a powerful way to transform your data based on specific criteria, based on conditions that you set. They allow you to create a new column whose value depends on conditions applied to existing columns in your data set. So imagine you have a column containing customer ages and you want to create a new column categorizing them as whether young, adult, senior, middle age, and so on. Conditional columns let you define rules based on these age ranges to automatically assign these categories in the new column. Today, I have a dummy data that I have prepared especially for this course. The data contains gender, location, age, height, weight, and the BMI, that is the body mass index of respondents. Now, the body mass index is the weight per square meter of a person. Weight per square meter height, all right, per height. Okay, so that is the weight of a person divided by height squared. Now, the body mass index is used to determine whether someone is obese, overweight, underweight, or of healthy weight. So here are the ranges. If someone has less than 18.5 BMI, the person is underweight. If somebody has between 18.5 and 24.5.9, the person has healthy weight. If the BMI is between 25 and 29.9, the person is overweight, and anything above 30 is obese. So we are going to create a conditional column to categorize each record in any of these weight categories. To do that, I'll go to the Add Column tab and click on Conditional Column. So this is where we will be typing in our rules. The first thing to type in here is the column name, which is, I'll call that the BMI status. That is the BMI status of the person. Now, if you are familiar with other analysis tools, you will see that this is the if, that is the if-else statement, just like in Python, and case when in SQL. So, the first thing we are going to do is the column based on which this criteria will be based. We are going to select that. So that's the BMI column, followed by the operator. So our first condition is that the BMI less than, so we'll select our operator, 18.5. So whoever has BMI lesser than 18.5 is underweight. The person needs to eat some more food. So underweight. So we'll click on Add Clause to add another condition. The second clause is the elif, that is else if. So else if the BMI is less than 24.9. Is less than 24.9. then the person is what? The person is or has healthy weight. The third condition is if the person is or has BMI lesser than 30, it means that person is obese. And then the final clause, which is the alternative clause, which means if all these conditions are not met, what should be the output? That is the else statement. So if all these conditions are not met, that is, if the weight is greater than, or if the BMI is greater than 30, then the person, now forgive my error there. I think we already have all right, please forgive my error there. So this should be overweight. This should be overweight. Right, nice. So this should be overweight. And then finally, else, anything greater than 30 should be obese. Sorry about that. Also, so now a new column with values based on these conditions will be added to our data model. All right. So I'll hit OK. And our BMI status has been added to the data. And from the look of things, it appears most of our record contains obese respondents. Mind you, this is dummy data. So, as easy as it comes, creating conditional columns. Conditional columns will enrich your data. It will help you simplify complex transformations and improve data clarity. I remain your humble facilitator, Boluwatife Oludupe. Thank you for your time today.
See you in the next tutorial. Until then, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell to get updates on new videos, and share this video with your friends. Bye for now.